Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be going over how I take all the moisture out of my buffalo style mozzarella cheese. Let's do it. The cheese I'm covering today is the cheese that comes in a plastic bag in a supermarket that has moisture from the mozzarella in there, and the ball of mozzarella sits in the water in the bag, which is sealed, and that's the mozzarella I'm referring to. It's called buffalo mozzarella. I'm going to call it buffalo style mozzarella because I don't know what milk is used. It just says cow's milk. I don't think it's buffalo, specifically buffalo milk. So I'll call it buffalo style mozzarella. It comes in a packet full of like watery juice that the mozzarella sits in. Is exceedingly moist, and that's why I like to use it for wood-fired and gas-fired pizza ovens. Normally lasts about a week after you buy it. The sell-by date's normally about a week, but I do freeze it, and I didn't used to freeze it because I didn't think I could, but I have started freezing it and it's coming out just fine. In this video, I just want to show how I take out all the moisture from that cheese because it's very moist. It's sitting in its own water, and so you will need to get that moisture out from the cheese before you put it on your pizza. Otherwise, you will get like a pinky coloured goo on the top of your pizza. Here is my buffalo style mozzarella cheese. First of all, I slice it into pieces like this. So I double line the paper towels, I place them flat on the paper towels, and then I place another paper towel onto the top, pat it down so that all the moisture is taken by the paper towel, and then once I've done that, I'll do it again. I'll replace it. It depends on how moist the mozzarella is. I think different qualities of mozzarella have different moisture levels, I found. So I like it quite dry, and I do a test where I pull up the paper towel, and if I can hardly see any water left on it, I know it's pretty much ready to use. That's my express way of taking all the moisture out of my buffalo style mozzarella. You can take it out of the packet and leave it overnight. To do that, I get a bowl, I put some paper towels in the bowl at the bottom, and then I place the cheese into the paper towels and cover it over with the paper towel as well, so in like a ball, and then I place that in the fridge overnight, and by the morning most of the water has seeped out onto the paper towels, and then you've got less squeezing to do when you're ready to cook. But whatever you do, you will need to get that moisture out. However you do it, it's really important. You will end up with pink, squeegee toppings, because what happens is the buffalo style mozzarella or your buffalo mozzarella will start leaking its water contents on top of your tomato sauce, and it does look like a pink mess. The first time I ever used buffalo mozzarella or buffalo style mozzarella, that's exactly what happened to me. I wasn't aware that I needed to get all the water out like that, and I did end up with squidgy pink messes on the top of my pizza, which then ran into my dough and then made it really hard to cook with, because my dough was like falling apart in the oven because of all the water going out of the mozzarella. I'm doing this about 10 minutes before I make my pizza. I grab the packet of mozzarella out of the fridge, I quickly grab some paper towels, get my chopping board, cut them up quickly, and then I press it all down. So I'm doing it like 10 minutes before the cook, so you know it can be done very fast. It's not how much you can squeeze out in 10 minutes. That's what I do. Stock up on paper towels. I mean, I haven't tried anything else. I've only tried paper towels. They don't stick to my mozzarella, so then you're not going to be eating the paper towel when you eat your pizza. There's going to be no bits stuck on there. I've tried all qualities of paper towel. The most expensive are better, obviously. The cheap ones are okay, but none of them have actually stuck to the mozzarella. So they all just peel away very easily. If you use anything else to absorb the water quickly out of your mozzarella because you've forgotten to stick it in the fridge the night before, please let me know in the comments below, because I've just been using paper towels and it works. But if you use something else that's like, oh, that's really cool, let me know in the comments below. It would be handy to know. So I hope you found this video useful. It's just a quick video, something that I didn't know when I first started cooking pizza. I didn't realise that it needed to be squeezed, and I didn't realise that you need to get the moisture out of the buffalo style mozzarella or buffalo mozzarella. So I hope you found this video useful. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.